This is gonna be fun.
This guy is fun.
It is. And you should be grateful you're not the victim for once.
I guess.
Hey, Jimmy, tell me about this guy. Does he like to go in his own pants?
Be careful.
Just look down. Don't make eye contact. Oh, don't be rude.
This is how they educate people. It's no wonder this country is such a dump. All right.
Where is this dirty old perv?
You know, you're not very nice, Gary.
And you're a loser, Petey. One of life's unfortunates. So I guess the rumors are true, Jimmy. Your dad does live on campus. You jerk! Ow! Let's leave this guy to his welfare payments. Come on, let's get out of here.
Just get out of here, kid.
Why should I?
Because otherwise I'll kill you.
What's your problem?
That's a long story. You got any liquor?
No, I'm 15.
Well, what about drugs?
No.
Then why shouldn't I kill you?
All right then, tough guy, kill me.
You know what, kid? I like your style. You got guts. When I was on that ridge in Korea, watching my buddies get killed by friendly fire, I could have used somebody like you.
Yeah? Thanks.
But I bet you can't fight. You do me a favor, and I'll show you some real moves. Classified moves. Real special army stuff.
Cool.
Just get me a part for my radio, and I'll show you what the army taught me.
What, like how to get shot?
I'm walking here. Eyes on the road, dog. Cheese reading. Get a baby romance. That's for me. Girls are useless. They just screw you.
Thanks, kid. You're one of the good ones. I learned this much from this crazy guy I served with. You know, okay, he was my brother. If you want to do something big, good work. Now go out there and kick some ass. Don't forget to bring me a transistor when you come back.